Right, so in this video we are going to learn how to write subsets and proper subsets whenever you are given a set. We'll start with a very simple one first. So let's take a set having only one element. Suppose A is a set having element 1. Okay, there is only one element. So what are the subsets of this set A? One possibility is 1. This is a subset of this, isn't it? Because all the elements of the subset are in the set A, and we all know that phi is a null set, is a subset of all the sets. So my second subset is phi. Now which are the proper subsets then? Proper subsets, now we have to neglect this one, right, because it is not properly subset. So my proper subset is only phi. Okay, so what is the number of subsets here? 2. What is the number of subsets here? 1. Please be careful of this calculation. Okay, now let's take a set having two elements. Suppose A is a set having two elements 1 and 2. So what are my subsets now? My subsets are, I can take 1, this is a subset. I can take 2 alone, this is a subset. I can take 1 and 2, this is a subset, and we all know phi is a subset. Okay, so what are the proper subsets now? Okay, so the proper subsets in this case, which one we have to neglect? This 1 comma 2 will go, and others will be proper subsets, that is 1, 2 and 5. Okay, so what is the number of subsets here? 4. And what is the number of subsets here? 3. Okay, let's complicate it further and take a set having 3 elements. Let's say 1, 2 and 3. Now in this case my subsets are, first I'll take one element, so 1, 2, 3. Then I'll take 2 at a time, so 1, 2, 1, 3, then 2, 3, and then obviously 1, 2, 3 is a subset also, and then 5. Okay, now which are the proper subsets here? Proper subsets, all except which one will go out? This one will go out, others are proper subsets. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so how many subsets in this case? 8. How many proper subsets? 7. Okay, so we have discussed a set having one element, 2 element and 3 element, isn't it? Now let us stabilize everything whatever we have learned. Okay, so this is what we have been doing till now. If a set contains one element, subsets 2, proper subsets 1. If it contains 2 elements, number of subsets 4, proper subsets 3. If it contains 3 elements, number of subsets 8, proper subsets 7. Please notice that number of proper subsets is 1 less than this, isn't it? 4 minus 1 is 3, 8 minus 1 is 7. So to summarize, if a set contains, suppose, k number of elements, so your number of subsets is 2 to the power k. See, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. And then your number of proper subsets, as I have explained, proper subsets is 1 less than number of subsets. What is the number of subsets? 2 to the power k and 1 less, so 2 to the power k minus 1. Okay, so if it is given that your n of a is suppose 5, so what is the number of subsets? So number of subsets of a, because number of elements in a is 5, number of subsets is 2 to the power 5, that is 32. And what is the number of proper subsets? The number of proper subsets is going to be 2 to the power 5, 1 less, so 31. Right, very important concept. Please go to the video again and again to make the basics clear. In the next video we shall be discussing about power sets.